Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios. And you are watching BL Tutorials. Today, we are going to see After Effects. Like what is After Effects, how to use After Effects, and the interface of After Effects. We are going to explore all the tools and options. We will learn tips and tricks. Not only that, but we are going to create sample projects and see how to work on them. Are we going to cover everything in a single video? No. This is going to be an After Effects series, and this is our first episode. What is After Effects? Those who are interested, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Come, let's learn. If we search what is After Effects on Google, it shows that it's a VFX and motion graphics software. But if you ask me whether After Effects is only used for that, the answer is no. After Effects is mainly used for that purpose, but it depends on your talent and the urge to learn deeply and use the tools in creative ways. Next question you may ask is, why After Effects? Don't we have any alternatives? Yes, there are multiple options, but After Effects is a professional software where you have lots of freedom. You can create whatever you imagine. After Effects is widely used in big studios and companies. For example, many IT companies convey their ideas using motion graphics. Many ads are made using After Effects, and many studios use it for VFX. So, when learning, it's better to choose professional tools like these. They will be really useful for your career growth. Since After Effects is a professional tool, you might think it's difficult to learn, but it's not. It's just software. With hard work, you can learn it easily. Don't be scared of the tools, options, and the interface. You can definitely learn it. There are so many tutorials available on YouTube. Our After Effects series is also on the way. Watch it carefully. We can learn slowly and steadily. If you practice more, you'll get it faster. Now, let's visit the After Effects homepage and learn a little about it. I forgot to mention, After Effects is part of the Adobe company. I don't want to bore you with history, but if you're interested, check the link in the description. After Effects is not free. Yes, you have to pay for it. You can choose the plan that suits your needs and subscribe to it. Oh, and speaking of subscriptions, please subscribe to our channel too. It's completely free. Let's scroll down to see what's available. There is nothing impossible with After Effects. Amazing, right? You can create cinematic title cards, like in this video, and also cool and trending animation effects. What's trending, might wonder, seeing this different video? Yes, this is the current trend, guys. Here, Adobe explains that After Effects can be dynamically linked to other Adobe software for smoother workflows. Adobe offers software in many categories: video editing, design, and more. We'll explore these in upcoming episodes. They've listed the new features too. Adobe provides frequent updates with new tools and features. Sometimes, bugs might show up, but they're usually fixed in later updates. This is one of the big advantages of professional software. You also get 24/7 support in the Features tab. You'll see the current and past updates of After Effects. You can check the link below to explore those. There are examples and tutorials too. Please take a look. This is not a promotion for Adobe. I'm just sharing my experience using the software. And no, we're not big enough yet to collaborate with Adobe. Now, let's talk about plans. As mentioned earlier, Adobe isn't free, it's subscription-based. So, pick a plan that fits your budget and start learning. In the Learn and Support section, you'll find many tutorials. Refer to them, they're super useful. But don't forget to come back to our channel. Alright, I think today, we've covered the basics of After Effects. This was just the intro video of the series. In the next video, we'll open After Effects and explore the software. If you have any questions about this video, ask in the comments. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and join our creative family. Also, click the bell icon so you're notified when we upload the next episode. We'll catch up in the next video. Till then, it's BL signing off.